What up, YouTube? We back at it. So we're about to do something a little bit different. So we're about to still get some work in, but try to have some fun. It's super sunny and I need to have some fun, man. So we're about to head to the shop, move these bikes out the way. I'm about to pull the jet ski out. I want to really paint it and get that rust and that white off of there. So I'll maybe do that, I'm not sure. But I know for sure, I'm about to try to rewire these lights, get the tail lights working on that joint. And hopefully we can hit one of these lakes, man, and go slide in the water. Father's Day is tomorrow. I'm not really tripping on that, but like I said, I want to have some fun. Your boy been working and working and working, so we gotta have fun at the end of the day, man. We cannot overload ourselves full of work without no type of enjoyment or fulfillment to our satisfaction, you know. But we slide in the truck, man. We're about to go ahead and get some get this done. I was doing hella shoes. I got just a few little pairs I'm gonna go drop off and get that money. But like I said, we still working. We just gotta have a little bit of fun in it today. So stay tuned, man, and make sure y'all enter to win that 2019 Road Glide, man, because it can be you. We out here sliding. So stay tuned for what's about to happen, man. We sliding though. All right, so your boy had to do a lot of moving around. That's why I can't wait to deliver both of these bikes. So I need some space and to finish this one so we can get these things up out of here. But y'all see it, man. We got to move all the bikes, both of these bikes out and roll it from the back. I got to get that paint to the paint shop, to the painter. Then I think I'm gonna put all the dirt bikes and stuff in my RV to give me some more space. Then I got the jet ski out. These bikes will be delivered, that'll be done. Road Glide will be riding. We'll have a whole clear shop front to back. So that's the ultimate goal right now. But the main thing is we got the jet ski out, man. So we're about to get this thing riding and sliding today. Only thing we gotta do is fix both of those lights. So I'm gonna go to the trailer spot, have my pops try to help me, put some new lights on that joint so we could be sliding A1. Don't gotta worry about getting pulled over or none of that. But we got us some tools for today, so we are in the game, about to hit the road, man. Yes, sir. So the past time I went out, I got flats on both sides. So we got a new tire on this side. We got that one good. So we gotta fix these lights, man. These things is demolished. The rest was irritating me, but we're gonna get to that. I have to put my plate back on there because it fell off. Then we bought a whole new rim and a tire on this side. I think it really grease these damn bearings, man. Shit looking disgusting right about now. But yeah, we're gonna get to all of that, man. We got it on the truck though, we got it connected, so stay tuned, man. We're about to make the best out of it today. Got Big Bertha, so we sliding. All right, so we just left AutoZone from getting the lights, man. We got these things, I said AutoZone, it's up on Riley's from getting the lights. So we're about to have these things installed on the jet ski, man. So it's time to go up and make it happen. Man, I'll tell you, I've been riding with messed up lights for a minute. I've definitely been doing it, but that time is over with. And we got the LEDs with lifetime warranty, so we definitely in the game. We in the game, man. It's time to make it happen. I can't wait. Got the new lights. Oh, yep, same size. Demolished. Got the new ones. About to get them going. Thing was whooped. Leave that side. Demolish. About to put these fresh ones on. Got the old ones up out. No one. Oh, probably gonna happen.
Gotta make sure it don't get it.
That chain?
Yeah. No, the ball. Make sure the ball don't get it.
Yes.
See you at night.
Nice. I'm glad they working though. That's crazy. So we finally got the trailer lights done. Shout out to my dad. He damn near did everything. Got it on there perfect, nice and tight. Got my dog Ace. Say what's up, boy. We about to slide. We got the jet ski on the back. I was gonna go to Marina Del Rey, but the only thing about that is I'm kind of afraid for my boy Ace because them waves was kind of big. I know I can handle it, but I don't want to take the chance with me having him on there with me. So I'd rather go out here to Seal Beach or Long Beach. So by the time I get a little closer, I'll make up my mind. But most likely I'm gonna go to Seal Beach just because I can go slow with him. Got 4 boats dropping in. Dog Ace. Juiced up. Hey, she ready? My boy just woke up. Yeah? Got the truck locked and loaded. See a lot of boats? Yeah. Sliding. Are the jet skis able to go over there? Only the boats? Okay, for sure, for sure. We did a quick lap. Love this truck so much. Let's go to your side.